Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Amarillo, TX, Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a facilities for disabled guests. Motel 6-Amarillo Airport features guest rooms with expanded cable TV. This Texas motel is located 2 miles from the American Quarter Horse Museum. Rooms provide desks. Wi-Fi is available. Amarillo Motel 6 offers guests laundry facilities, free local calls and a 24-hour front desk. It also has vending machines. Motel 6 is 5 miles from Amarillo International Airport and Wonderland Amusement Park. It is 8 miles from Don Harrington Discovery Center and 11 miles from Cadillac Ranch. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.